Good morning, Golden Keys, and welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host, Mildred. Yes, it is Thursday morning. The weather outside is kind of tricky, though. Down here, usually it's still kind of warm. Today is like, it feels like 40 degrees to me outside. You know, I'm from New York, and it's cold, and I hate that weather. I ran down here to Atlanta to try to keep a little warm, but sure, the weather down here is like up there now. You know, it is really kind of breezy out there, but for those who love the cooler weather, it may be a comfortable day for you guys here. Hopefully later on it'll warm up. However, I'm going to get my day started by cleaning up this mess that I left yesterday. Last night I went to bed without cleaning or washing a dish. I was just tired. You know, my mind was troubled, so I had to rest it off, regroup, and come back and face a new day through new eyes, new ears, and just get back on pace. That's what it's about. Just take that time out that you need out, rest, but get back up and keep on moving. Get those thoughts working, get that brain just going and ideas floating in on your next step and what you have to do, and just keep pushing forward. That's what this life is about. It's about the challenges, it's about the struggles, it's about the trials, the tribulations. It's about just walking on that journey. You're gonna hit downfalls, and sometimes you're gonna be going up, and then you're gonna come on down again and going up. That is so you can always count on the man above, that you know that there is something more powerful than you and what you're doing that's guiding you. You have to give you that little tap on the head every now and then. But I'm okay this morning, on this Thursday morning. Come on over and help me clean up in here, get things in order, even though you guys are saying, shoot, we ain't help you mess that up. We ain't gonna know to clean that up. Anyhow, let me go get on to work, and anybody who's coming over, just come on over. I'll fix your breakfast too, but we gotta clean up first, okay? All right, guys, see you soon. Golden Keys, I have a tip. When you're cleaning your space, always keep one of these handy, or several little baskets handy. What I do is I keep this handy in the room that I'm cleaning, so that any objects or clothing, shoes, whatever it may be, handbags that do not belong in that space that I'm cleaning, I can put everything into this one basket, and then once I am done with that area, I can take it and put the stuff away throughout the house in the different rooms it belongs in. Over again, it will cut your time down if you do this. So that's a tip that I have to give to you. So maybe you want to gather one basket, and it's for the whole house. If you live in a duplex, upstairs, downstairs, you might want to have a basket designated for each room in the home, and as you clean in whatever belongs in that room, put the stuff in, and then carry that stuff upstairs to that particular space, put it in its place. Works for me. I hope that this is a tip that could work for you. Let me know in the comment below whether or not this is something that you would consider. Is it a good idea? And if you tried it, is it working for you? Just let me know. Back to cleaning. love this AIRWICK Pure. I love everything AIRWICK. I just love their scents. I love their products, their plugins, their pure sprays. It just smells so refreshed. I also love their candles. I purchased their candles. You'll get 2 this size in a pack for like $5 for 2 of these, and they last a while. So I love to just have those throughout the house, along with the plugins and some air freshener, because when you have pets have an odor. I love them, but I do not like my house smelling like a cat or a dog. So I must keep me some scented candles, some sprays, and some plugins. And my baby here, this Fabuloso, I love this stuff here to mop with and to wipe down things with throughout the house. I just like it to smell fresh like a home. I don't like the smell of the pets. I love my babies wherever they are in here, Dice and Chanel. I love them, but they smell sometimes, and especially when it rains. And I just like things to be fresh, okay? So if you guys like any of these products, I can recommend AIRWICK. This is the Sunset Cotton, and it smells good. Oh my God, it smells so good. And I love the Fabuloso Lavender. This is the lavender scent. That's a good scent. And my favorite plug-ins are and I have one over here. Let me grab it. The AIRWICK plug-ins, these. And I buy the set first, and then every time once they run out, like this one has, and I have to purchase some more today. After they run out, they have refillables that they sell in the store. I buy the refillables only, and then I just change them out. But I'm always getting the Summer Delight. Summer Delight, oh my God, it smells so good. I was thinking about trying something new for the holidays, something with maybe cinnamon or apple pie, like the holiday fragrance, to see how those smell. But other than that, my Summer Delight, I recommend that Summer Delight. I love it, I love it, I love it. Or Fresh Linen. Fresh Linen is a nice mellow smell as well, okay? So those are the ones that I would recommend. And the candles as well, either the Linen Fresh or the Summer Delight candles. They have different ones. Some of them, they don't have the same as they have in the plug-in scents and the candle scents. But just try it out to your liking and see how you like it. I'm sure you will. I love candles, okay? Yes, I'm sure you guys would love the AIRWICK products as much as I do. Just give them a try different fragrance until you find the one that you like. AIRWICK, if you're out there watching your girl, send your girl a couple of these plug-ins and some sprays that I can sample throughout my home and give feedback on. I'm down for it, okay? I love your products. What you see me here using, guys, is the SPRAYWAY. This SPRAYWAY is a glass cleaner. It's ammonia-free and streak-free shine. It is a clean, fresh fragrance, so it doesn't smell powerful. It doesn't knock you out like some of the ammonia glass cleaners that you may purchase from other places. I'm a Windex girl. Always have been a Windex girl. I love Windex. However, this SPRAYWAY, it works wonders. No streaks, absolutely no streaks, and it cleans very well, and I love it. And I thank one of my YouTubers that I watch faithfully, Styleby Casanova. She always uses this product, and she always promotes this product. And I must say, thank you, Styleby Casanova. This works miracles. Thank you. So guys, pick you up some. And I picked this up from TJMAXX, and it's $3.99 for this bottle, 32 ounces. So hey, that's great. It'll last a while. All right, and even when you see it come out, it's like a foam. It's not really like a liquid. It's like a foam, okay? It doesn't take much to clean it. You can clean your glass with it, any glass surfaces. Okay, it's excellent for use of windows, mirrors, windshields, and other glass surfaces. So anything glass, you can clean this with, and I'm telling you, you'll fall in love too. Okay? Okay guys, I'm done in the living space. Now I'm gonna head on over to the kitchen and get this area together.